Hey there, if you ever wondered how to keep tabs on your orders in the Temu app, you are in the right place. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, go back to your screen and update your app to the latest version. Next, what you're gonna do, go ahead and open up the Temu app. All right, and then go to your profile at the bottom, right? At the bottom middle, give or take. And basically, you're gonna see your orders at the top. Go ahead and click on it. You're gonna see all the orders that you made through Temu app. And if you have orders, you're gonna check the status from clicking processing or shipped or delivered from here, or returns if you find a problem with the product, right? And you're gonna need to focus on all orders for orders history, and processing if you have an order in play, and shipped if you order shipped from another country to your address, and of course the delivered for all your products that you received. So that's it. Tracking your orders on Temu is quick and simple. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like or share it with someone who might need it. Happy shopping and see you next time.